All right, guys, we're on exercise 22. We're going to create a merchandise presentation, and we're going to use the sweater that I have already included in on Blackboard. So we're trying to create something like this. So you'll have the sweater, and then I want you to create 3 different color versions of the same sweater. You can put model numbers on each of them. And if you go to Blackboard, on the top, you see sweater. So you can use that file. So I'm going to go ahead and open. This is going to be a very easy to do project. So you're going to open that sweater. And first thing is we're going to select this and group everything. And now that we've grouped it, we're going to copy paste it. And you're going to bring it here. Now we're going to select only a portion of this for the merchandising presentation. So first I'm going to go to my rectangle tool. I'm going to make sure I have no fill selected, and I'm going to select a black outline, and you can make that a 2 point. And now I'm going to go ahead and select this portion of this. Okay, maybe you can make it more like a little square. All right, this is good. Now, what we want to do is we want to get this and the garment selected. Okay, so now I'm going to select my sweater, hold on to Shift key on the Mac. I believe it is the same on the PC, and make sure you select your rectangle as well. And then go to your object, clipping mask, make, and it's going to clip that for you. Now, if you notice, we lost our rectangle here. The sweater is really not lost here, so you can still, like, if you go here, you can still see pieces of it. If you want to see the whole thing, you can go to Pixel Preview and click on outline, and the outline will show you everything you have. So it's not lost, but it's not showing because we did the clipping mask. Now, because we are not able to see the rectangle, I want to draw that rectangle one more time. So go to rectangle, make sure you select no fill, and select this. You can do a 2 or 3 point for the thickness of the stroke, and then go over that right here, create that rectangle again. Now we can go back to get rid of the pixel review, and you can see the rectangle now. Now we want to group both the outfit and this. So I'm going to go ahead and select it all, and then group it together so that I can move it together. So now I can move it here, and then I'm going to copy and paste 2 more. If you're not able to align them on the top, what you can do is you can go to your rulers, say show rulers, and you can just drag a guide, and then you can just line up everything together on top. That way you have them all, you know, in a more symmetrical way. Okay, now what we need to do is try to get, and then I'm going to get rid of the guides, so I don't want to see the guides. Okay, now we're going to change the colors on each one. So for that, you can go to edit colors, recolor artwork. And here you can go to advanced options. You can either select something here, you know, let's select this for the first one. And we do the same thing here. Advanced options, we can select another color, or you can also go to this and select maybe, let's say bright, and you'll be able to select some brighter colors. And then on the third one, we do the same thing, go to edit colors. Oops, we didn't select it. Select that, recolor artwork, and you can do advanced options. What you can also do is, let's do this one on this. You can also go to edit and maybe, change your colors a little bit. So you can play with this that way as well. Okay, so this is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and say merchandising presentation. Right in the middle. And then if you want, we can give them different model numbers. So we can say sweater 137. That can be the model number for this. And then we can do sweater 138. And then go sweater 139. And sweater 140. I mean, you can put model numbers either way. So I'm going to rename this like that and try to align these numbers. And we are good to go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and save this as exercise 22, merchandising presentation using snapshots. And we have only one more exercise with Illustrator after this, and we'll be done with Illustrator.